Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Siddhi and you're watching me on For Women in India. In today's video, we'll be talking about the concept of virginity and how obsessed the Indian society is with it. We'll talk about its origin, how it was invented, and what's the big deal about losing virginity and why is it so much important for people. We'll begin with asking, was it created to control women and their sexuality? Apparently, it was. Like every other sexist issue, it was created by patriarchy. Religion also plays a role here. Religions have been endorsing the idea of virginity, linking it with the purity of a woman's body. Young girls are taught that being a virgin is a sign of purity, and if they lose their virginity, they're damaged goods. Meanwhile, men don't have to worry about it because they are never judged for losing their virginity. That is exactly why rape is used as a tool to oppress and deny somebody of their so-called honor. And if you're not pure, you bring disgrace to your family and community. But what happens to the men? What about their virginity? Do people care about it? Do they also face the same consequences as women who lose their virginity? The answer is no. In fact, they are praised for doing it and are hailed for having done it with multiple partners. Since the concept of virginity is associated with purity, it indicates the fact that more a woman has sex, the less pure she becomes. She is labeled as a slut. But the same thing changes for men. The more sexual partners they have, the more is their worth in the society and they are hailed as studs. This is exactly what patriarchy does to the society. It attaches undue and unnecessary value to a woman's virginity and it ends up getting compared to a woman's worth. She is often referred as second-hand, sanskari. The Indian girl is supposed to be sanskari. She is not supposed to have sex before her wedding. The society uses her body as a property. Before marriage, she is protected by her father, post-marriage by her husband. The Manusmriti goes further by saying that women should be tamed and if her husband dies, her son should protect her. Basically, it glorifies oppression by taking away the right of the woman to choose for herself. In fact, in some parts of our country, it is a customary practice to check the bedsheet of the newly married couple for blood stains of the broken hymen, to check whether the girl was virgin or not. This practice is not only pathetic but also very dehumanizing. Also, the hymen can break by a number of non-sexual activities as well, like riding a scooty or a cycle, even by horse riding or playing any sports. So attaching it with someone's honor is just terrible. As discussed earlier, religion does play an important role in strengthening the conditioning of these values into people. For example, Hindus worship Ram, who made his wife Sita to walk on fire to prove her chastity since she had spent so much time away from her husband, in captivity of another man. We as a society should understand that a woman's vagina is neither sacred nor pure, and people need to keep their noses out of someone else's vagina. It is high time that the Indian society stops interfering in women's lives, their choices and desires. We need to understand that making women's vagina as sacred or pure is not right. At the end of the day, it is the women who should have the right to make their own decision, whether to have sex or not, to have it before or after marriage or not at all. To have it with one partner or multiple, it is all her choice. One step towards making people aware about the issue is including the concept of virginity as part of sex education in schools, so that the coming generation should not be ignorant towards these important issues. It is important for everybody to know that this idea of virginity is a myth. It is not a real thing. Have you ever been slut-shamed for your choices? Let us know about your thoughts and ideas in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified when the next video is out.
Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.